Welcome back to A Girl with Tools. If you remember last time we got the engine out. I kind of got some stuff off. I got the clutch plate off. I'm going to work on getting the pulley off. I'm going to work on getting the fan plate off. My motor stand should show up today, so we're trying to get it ready to drop onto that stand. I'll show you what we've got off so far. So here you can see I've gotten the pistons out and the cylinder heads off on this side. I do have the nut removed from this side. I still need to take the cylinder off this side so I can get to the pistons. And then the clutch plate is off. Here it is. It is quite worn and beat up. So today we're going to work on getting the pulley off, hopefully getting the fan off, and getting it put on the engine stand. Okay, so we've got one piston off. I'm still working on trying to get that gland nut out. Actually, just the 2 and the 4 piston are left. Taking off the cover for the oil sump. So that's kind of what I'm kind of got a couple different things going on at once. So this is what we're doing. Okay, to get these out, I have a 15 millimeter socket on an extension, and this is a 1 pound dead blow, and I'm putting my foot on here because otherwise it kind of bounces through the head studs. And I'm just beating. You can heat it up. I just don't have my torch handy, but you can heat it up to ease it out. I hit it with some PB Blaster, so hopefully it'll come right out. And there it is. So I have a flywheel lock. It locks down the flywheel. You just put it through one of the and it's 14 millimeter.